So in this video, I will be discussing educational code forces around 172. So I will be discussing first three problems of this set. Let's now start with a problem that is greedy monograph. So there are total n chests given to us, and what we can do, we can add any number of coins in any of the chests, such that the total number of coins in all of the chests must be at least k. Okay, done. Now, after we have finished adding the coins in the chest, what Monocrab does, he chooses the chest with the largest number of coins and take the coins from that. Okay. Now, Monocrab will only stop as soon the total number of coins in his chest, means in the Monocrab's chest, is at least k. Okay, done. Now, what they are asking us to do, what is the minimum number of coins that we should add such that when the Monocrab stops from taking the chest, like he will exactly have k coins, right? So how we can solve this problem? So let me tell you here only. For example, we have 4 1, that is 2, this is 3, and this is 2, right? So monograph greedily choose the largest chest first, right? So for example, our goal is to get monograph exactly 8 coins, right? So first of all, monograph chooses 4, yeah, because that is the largest one. Then he will choose 3, yes. The sum is not 8, right? Then he will choose 2, yes. Now monograph will stop choosing the numbers. But why? Because the number of coins are greater than 8, but they're not equal to 8. So what should the minimum number of coins that we should add in any of the chests such that he will stop at exactly 8 coins? So you can simply find it using the by sorting the array in the reverse manner, because that is a manner in which monograph chooses the coins, right? So 4, 3, 2, 2, 1. Now take a prefix sum, that is 4, that is 7, that is 9, 11 and 12, right? So I will only consider the number which is smaller than k, because if it is greater than k, then I will not consider them, right? So I will just delete them. Now for the remaining numbers which is smaller or equal to it, just find the minimum difference between that number and a k, right? So the minimum difference will be your answer, because you will adding that number of coins in that particular chest. So in this case, the difference here would be 4, and difference here would be 1. So minimum difference is 1, right? Which means I will add 1 coin in this particular chest 3, right? So that's the answer. So let's now discuss problem number B, that is game with colored marbles. Okay, so I will tell you here only. So for example, I have a set of some number of coins, uh, colored marbles, and each of the marble color is representing by another array, that is C of I. Okay, done. Now there is a condition to get a score for allies. Now what is that condition? So the condition, I will tell you the condition in simpler manner. This statement I think so it is difficult to understand in the first go. So I will tell you. For example, I have a color red marbles of color red, and also green, uh, green, green. So if I choose only one marble of red color, I will get 1 point. Okay, done. I will took another. I do not get the point, because I have already taken one uh, marble of color red, right? Then another, then another. So here, what I can notice, that I will get another point. But why? Because I have taken all of the red colors, so I will get one additional point. Okay, done. So that is the only condition given to you. So what is the condition in short? Like, if you're picking only one color red, you will get 1 point. And if the total count of marbles which are chosen by you is equal to the total available marbles, then you will get one additional point, that is 1. So the total number of points for red would be 2 only. And for suppose you are choosing 2 greens, then what is the sum you will add? You will add only 1, right? Because 1 is added for the 1 green, and you are not choosing all the greens, yeah. So that additional one will not be added. So the points in this case will be 3. Okay, so this is the condition given to you. Now what they are asking us to do, that allies score at the end of the game, assuming both play optimally. So allies want to maximize her score and Bob want to minimize her score. So what they can do, so by reading the problem you can easily justify. For example, let's suppose I'm taking one 3, 1, 3, 4. So what Alice want? Alice want to complete the number of pairs, right? Because she will get another additional point by completing all of the pairs, right? So if she is choosing two ones, then she will get one additional point, right? So what Alice want to choose only that numbers which having the minimum frequency, because these are the easily completable numbers, right? So Alice always want the numbers with the minimum frequency. No, but Bob wants to like maximize. Like Bob doesn't want to maximize her score, right? So he will all see. So Bob will also choose the marbles with the minimum frequency, because he does not want her score to be maximized, right? So in short, both Elias and Bob will always choose the number with the minimum frequency, right? So yeah, by choosing in this manner, just find the answer for the Elias and print the answer. But how will you do that? How will you do that? By using a priority queue, right? So I can make a priority queue. For example, I'm making a frequency array that is 2 comma 1, that is 2 comma 1. 2 is the frequency of 1, that is 2 comma 3, and last is 1 comma 4, right? So what Elias did, gradually she will choose 4 first, because it will give him 2 points, because 1 is for single one and 1 is for the completing all of the pairs of 4. So Elias will get 2 points, done. Now but Bob will do, Bob will decrease its frequency to 1, right? Now Alice will again choose this one. So she will only get 1 point, because it is not the complete pair. Again, Bob will also decrease the frequency of 2. Now Alice will choose another 3 for this one and only get 1 point, because he is not collecting all of the threes. So the final answer would be 4. Yeah. So you can see the final answer is 4 only. So yeah, but the implementation is also easy. But you can see I'm just maintaining a priority queue and inserting the number based on their frequency first and number secondly. Okay, done. Making two arrays, Alice and Bob, done. Okay, I think that these are not necessary. Now switching between two pairs, right? So just increasing the map of Alice by the second pair of the my priority key, because that is a color which Alice have, right? And in the case of Bob, I'm just doing nothing, because he's not doing anything, and flipping the pairs here also. Like if my frequency is greater than 0, then I will again push in my priority queue, else I will remove it for the obvious reasons, right? So here you can see if the number frequency is equal to original frequency, then I will increase the count for that particular number, because I will get additional point if I have collected all of the marbles of the same color. And 1 point I will always get, because that is a point which I'm getting for picking only one marble, right? So just print the count at the end, and this is your only answer, right? So let's now discuss problem number C, that is competitive fishing, right? So let me tell you problem here only. So I think so this problem was more sort of pattern finding, I would say. So for example, I'm taking this number 10. Okay, so here 1 represents the fishes which are caught by Bob. Okay, and 0 represents the fishes which are caught by Alice, right? So what we have to do, we have to divide this particular string of the fishes into multiple subarrays, okay, of the contiguous subarrays, right? For example, I divided in this part, this part, this part, and this part. Now what I will do, I will give a score for to each and every part in which I have divided. So what is the score? Score will be 0 based indexing. That is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. And mind one thing, you cannot rearrange the numbers which are given to you. This is the original string S which will be given to you. You have to divide this original string S into multiple parts and give a number to each and every part in the increasing order. For example, this part will get 0, 1, 2, and 3. So what is the score at the end? So the score would be, for example, so now the score of a fish is defined as the score of the group in which it is present. Okay. Now tell me what is the score for this fish. First of all, I have to find the score of its group. The score of its group is 1, right? The score of this fish will also be 1. Okay, done. Okay, done. Similarly, the score for this fish will be 2. score for this fish will be 3. Right. Now what I have to do, I have to find the score that of the Bob analyze. Right. You can see. Okay. Now what is question asking us to do? So at then what have we so at then what we have to do? We have to uh, divide this particular array in some number of parts such that at then my Bob score is greater than Eli's by k. Okay, my Bob score is greater than Eli's by k. What is k? K is given to you. This is k. Okay, which means Bob's number plus k should be uh, Bob's number plus k should be greater than or equal to Eli's. I think that was equal to k only, right? Just at least k points, yeah. So this is the only condition. So Bob number plus k should be greater than or equal to Eli's. Okay, done. But how we can do that? So I will tell you this part also how you can do that. So I think the problem is clear to you. So first of all, I will find the answer for this particular statement. So if I'm dividing the array in this manner, what is my answer? So the score is 0, 0. Okay, the score is 1. The score is 1. Score is 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3. Right. So the score will be calculated as you have guessed it, right? So yeah, just add them up for the LI and Bob. So for the LI, what is the LI score? LI score would be 0 plus 1, that is 0 plus 1 plus 2 over here. Like I will write individually 1 plus 1 and then 3 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 3. Done. Now what is Bob score? The Bob score is again 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, done. So this is Bob score and this is okay. This is let me so this part is Li score and this part is Bob score, right? So what is the Li score? 1, 2, 3, that is 6 plus 9. Okay, 9. And what is Bob score? That is 6, 7. Now what is the difference between them? The difference between them is minus 2, right? Which means Bob score is less than Li's, so it cannot be greater than by k at any cost. So you cannot find the answer you cannot find the answer with this configuration, right? So what configuration to select? I'll tell you. So there's a very much pretty pattern in this question. So I will tell you from this from this string only. Okay, done. So what was the string given to me? That is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, that is 1, 1, 1, 0 and 0, right? So just find the suffix sum of this particular string. But how? Add minus 1 for the 0 and 1 for the 1. So this was the string given to me. So add 1 for the 1 and minus 1 for the 0. Okay, let me generate it here. So first uh, value will be always be 0. Okay, done. Now what is this 0 signifies? Minus 1. So I will add minus 1. Again 0, minus 2. Then it is 1. I will add 1, that is minus 1. Again 1, I will add 0. Again 1, I will add 1. Again 0, I will add 0 because it is minus 1. Again minus 1, minus 1. That is 1. I will add 0. That is minus 1 and minus 2. I think so you can cross check it also whether that is right. So let me only. So it is 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, it will increase, 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 decrease, decrease, increase, decrease and decrease, right? So yeah, so if you divide the for example now I want sum to be 1, which means I want Bob score plus 1 should be greater than and equal to Li's, right? So what configuration to select such that this condition is satisfied, right? So if you try to find the pattern carefully, so the answer is simple. What is the answer? Here you can see 1 is occurring, right? So if you divide the array in this manner, for example, let me change the color. Uh, this particular part, okay, and this particular part, okay, and this particular part, the answer would be 1. But why? Because sum is here, like 1 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 0, that is 1 plus 0, that is 1, right? So yeah, I can find the, you can calculate the answer for this particular sub array. The answer is 1 only. But why? Here you can see that this is first array, this is 0, this is second array, this is 1, right? So doesn't matter in this case, answer will be 0 only. In this case I have two ones and I have three ones and two zeros. Yeah, you can notice my answer is positive, that and that is 1 only, right? So this is the only pattern in this question. So let me now try it with another array also. That is one. I'm taking some random array only, right? 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, done. Now I will write the array, right? So it will be 0, it will be minus 1, it will be increase. So yeah, 0 again, increase 1, decrease 0, increase 1, decrease 0, increase 1, increase 1, and decrease. So my that is 1, decrease, that is 0, decrease, that is minus 1. So yeah, so let's suppose I want a answer of 2, right? So let's suppose I want an answer of 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I want answer of 5. Whether I can get it or not, yeah, I can get it, because you can see I have a clearly sum of 5 over here. 1 2 3 4 5. So I want pop plus 5 should be greater than or equal to Alice. But how you can get it? Just simply dividing the array in this manner. For example, this is one case, this is one case, this is one case, and this is one case, right? So dividing in this manner. So here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 2, and here it is 3, right? So what is the sum over here? Here sum will always be 0 over here. Okay, done. What is the sum over here? Two ones and 1 0. So I will get a positive 1 over here. Okay, done. I will get a 0 over here because both 0 and 1 are equal. What I will get here? I will get a positive 3 over here. So yeah, uh, I think so I have missed something, maybe or maybe not. uh, Maybe the sum is incorrect, but yeah, you can verify also. So in this case, the this will be cut out from each another and it will be 3 at then. So I will get a 4 positive, but ideally I guess I should get 5 positive. Let me cross check it also. Like, this is decrease, this is increase, this is increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase, increase, this will decrease, this is decrease, this is decreased. Okay, so whether I'm considering this, okay, 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 I have not considered this particular. Okay, this will be cut out. Okay, let me debug this case. You can skip this particular part. Okay, 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 got it. So yeah, the sum is 4 only. Okay, I misjudged it yet. So yeah, sum will be 4 because 2 plus 1 plus 1, yeah, it is 4. Right, okay, done. So yeah, hope so the pattern is clear to you. How I'm finding this. The sum will be simply this two, this one, and this one. Okay, if you find the numbers, just break the array in these particular parts. Where is 2 ending here? Here. Where is 1 ending here? Where is this one ending here? Where is this 0 ending here? Okay, so you will have to add an extra part at then. But why? Because of this 0, right? So you may notice you are getting an answer in 3, right? You're getting your answer 4 in 3 numbers only. But why I'm taking 4 sub-arrays? Because this 0 has to be considered, right? So now, so now the answer is simple. Just run a binary search on this search space. For example, 2 to the length of the array. For each and every part, you will get a mid, right? I will get a mid. Okay, done. So okay, I think so I'm moving too fast. I'll tell you why. So after finding this particular array, right, just sort this in the reverse manner. Okay, so by sorting, I will tell you why. Just sort it. Just sort this in the reverse manner. Okay, done. Okay, so it will be 2 plus, okay, it will be 2 1 1 1. How many ones are there? 1 2 3 4. Yeah, 4 ones are there. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Are there 5? Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5. Minus 1 1 2. Yeah, minus 1 minus 1. Okay, just sort there in the reverse manner. Just make a prefix sum. Okay, just make the prefix sum. What is your k? My k is only 4, right? So how many values with I am getting? 4. I am getting 4 with only 3 values, right? Yes, I'm getting 4 with only 3 values. And what does these 3 values signifies? The part where I will divide my particular subarray, right? So yeah, and but I will add one extra part for this last subarray also, that is 3 plus 1 4. So my answer is 4 in this case, right? So I will tell you the code also. Uh, just take the input and make this particular reverse suffix array, right? For each and every one, just add your answer, and for each and every minus one, just subtract it, right? And push it in array A. Okay, this is my array which represent this only, right? So just sort the array in the reverse manner. Okay, done. So I have sorted it, because by sorting I will get the sum as a maximum, because this is a sorted array in the reverse manner. Okay, got it. Now run a binary search. Okay, done. By running a binary search, what is my function? For each and every mid, I will try to iterate on that part. First of all, I will iterate whether by taking the this much by whether by taking this much number of subarrays, because you know one thing, the number of elements present here are the number of parts in which you are dividing your subarray, right? So yeah, for example, I have given you 5 over here. Okay, done. I will check in a search space of 4. But why 4? Because one part is extra for these zeros. Here you can see, in this case my answer was 4, right? So for the mid to be 4, I will check in the search space of 3 only, because one part is extra for this particular 0 at the start. So here you can see mid, I will check for the mid minus 1 only. Here you can see mid minus 1. Yeah, if my sum is exceeding k, then just return 1 and try to like smaller your search space. And yeah, that's how you can use binary search plus greedy to check this. So I think the most important was for finding this pattern only. So yeah, I think so that is for today's video. If you like the video, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.